Welcome to Bikes or Die, your go-to channel for the latest updates on vehicles, trends and technology. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Morni E-Rickshaw, a groundbreaking addition to the world of eco-friendly transportation. Introduction. The 2025 Morni E-Rickshaw is designed to revolutionize urban and semi-urban commutes. With its focus on affordability, sustainability and efficiency, it aims to set new standards for electric rickshaws. Whether you're a driver looking to save on operational costs or a passenger seeking a quieter, greener ride, this vehicle has something to offer. Key features and specifications. Powerful battery. Equipped with a high-capacity lithium-ion battery, the Morni E-Rickshaw delivers a range of up to 120 kilometers on a single charge. Fast charging. A quick charge capability ensures the vehicle is ready to hit the road in just 3 hours. Robust design. Built with a sturdy frame and shock-absorbing suspension, it can handle both city streets and rough terrain. Passenger comfort. The spacious cabin accommodates up to 4 passengers, providing ample legroom and cushioned seating. Performance and efficiency. The Morni E-Rickshaw's electric motor delivers smooth acceleration and exceptional energy efficiency. With zero emissions and low noise, it's perfect for environmentally conscious drivers and city dwellers who value a quieter commute. Its lightweight design further enhances performance, ensuring lower energy consumption per ride. Cost effectiveness. Running an electric rickshaw like the Morni means significant savings on fuel costs compared to traditional petrol or diesel vehicles. Maintenance expenses are also lower due to the reduced number of moving parts in an electric drivetrain. For drivers, this means higher profitability with less stress on the wallet. Why choose the Morni E-Rickshaw? In 2025, sustainability isn't just an option, it's a necessity. The Morni E-Rickshaw represents a step forward in addressing climate change while meeting the needs of commuters and drivers alike. It's a vehicle that combines modern technology, affordability, and environmental responsibility. Conclusion. The 2025 Morni E-Rickshaw is more than just a vehicle. It's a promise of a cleaner, smarter, and more sustainable future. If you're in the market for an electric rickshaw, this model deserves serious consideration. Stay tuned to Bike Zone Pro for more updates, reviews, and expert opinions on the latest in the world of 2- and 3-wheelers. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. And make sure to check the website for more.